maximize my potential, wanting to become the best version of myself that I can be, the best employee I can be, like all those intrinsic things, that I want to become, all of that also gets maximized when I can have a personalized learning experience
Hmm.
that usually doesn't happen, when I'm just kind of getting lumped in with everybody in a training and like a kind of generic training environment, right?
Right. Yeah. And I don't, I use this analogy, knowing that I am not referring to people who work for any organization as kindergartners, right? But I think
Yeah, yeah.
there's an allegory here where I have children, and when they were little and they went to kindergarten, and I know kindergarten teachers, you realize all these kids come into this room on day one, and some of those kids have been to pre-K. So they've already spent a year or so learning, doing the kinds of things that pre-K does. Then you've got kids who have been in a daycare, a little bit different environment, but some learning, but also the socialization. Then you've got kids who've never left home,
Yeah.
and they're all in the same room on day one. And I think, some organizations, some L&D leaders could learn a lot from kindergarten teachers. How do I get everyone level set without just saying, well, we're going to do, you know, this base thing because we need to, I don't want to call it lowest common denominator as referring to people, but you know what I mean? Like,